Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Y Good TV Studio. Yeah, so in this video, I want to show you, give you PSD5 Volume 2. This PSD5, so I've already released Volume 1. You can go and check it. Yeah, go and watch the video. Yeah, I've already done it in Volume 1. So this is Volume 2. So I'm trying to give you the Volume 2, another, because we're already in 200 subscribers already this year that we start this journey, and I know that we started together. So we just try to give you, it's for free, it's not for sale. Yeah, you can hear me right, it's for free. So this is what you access in the PSD5 when you download it. This is what you have access to. You have access, just watch the video to the end so you can have access to the password, so you can enjoy it and be using it for your designs. One particular thing that you have in this video is you have access to the password. Yeah, if you watch the video today and have access to the password, you have access to the resources, the fonts, everything they use in this particular design, you have access to it. And one thing you have access to again is you know how they are laying the design, how they are doing it. Yeah, you have access to the resources, the fonts, everything. You have access to it. What I just want you guys to do for me is watch the video to the end. Watch this video to the end. Don't come to my comment section. Don't write in the comment section that I've watched the video and I've not access to the password. I will not reply you. Just watch the video to the end. This is way you can help me grow this channel. So you can see this is what you have access to. If you watch the video to the end and get the password, yeah, this is what you can have. It's a very premium design, premium. Everything was very editable. Yeah, very premium design. You can see it. Everything was very editable. You can use it for any event, any occasion, or you can use it. You can see it is very premium. You can see how. So this is what you have access to. Yeah, it's very good, and all the PSD files is very editable. So we can use it. Yeah, this is what I want to show you. This is my appreciation for you guys that really try for me, turn up. I'm really happy. I'm really happy. So if you can turn up with this, I'll be uploading more PSD5 for you guys so you can use it. It won't be easier for you guys, so you can try it. It's very good. So you understand? Just watch this video to the end so you can have access to this beautiful PSD5. So watch the video to the end. Watch it. You can see it. You can see this particular one. All the resources in this design, you have access to all. Everything is very editable. You can see everything. The layout, the fonts, the resources, everything, the background, you have access to all the resources. One thing also we need for you guys, watch this video to the end so you can have access to the password. That is what I just need for you guys. I know that I should bring money, it's for free. Yeah, it's for free. So we can help this channel to grow very. That's it. You can use it. This one you can use it for. You can use it for maybe any occasion, any designer. You can use it. Or this one, maybe church flyer. You can use it. You can use it for club, anything. Or this one too. You can use it. It's very editable. Everything. So let me open song so you can know what I'm talking about. Let me open song. You can see it. That's it. You have access to all. Everything is very editable. You can see it. Everything is very editable. The fonts, everything is very editable. I'm just sharing with you guys. It's for free. Yeah, free. Just watch it to the end. Watch it to the end so you can have access to the password. Let me see the one I opened. That's it. Everything is very editable. Everything. Just watch this video to the end. Yeah, watch this video to the end. This is the way you can help this channel grow. Watch it to the end so you can have access to the password. Nothing more. Let me go back. Watch this video to the end so you can have access to the password. Let me open another one for you guys. You should see. It's very editable. Very editable. It's very. You see, it's very editable. Very editable. You can see, have access to all the resources, including the fonts, everything, the light, effects, everything. You have access to it. It's very editable. So, this is what my appreciation for you guys for helping me. So, it's very. So, thank you guys. Thank you very much. And if you are the first time you are watching a video like this, my name is Samson. So, welcome to Wide Creativity Studio. Yeah, so and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So thank you very much. Thank you, everybody. So see you in the next episode. Bye for now.